Hi guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 70 Corvette. It's a 350 horse, numbers matching, 350 under the hood, beautiful interior. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna fire it up, we're gonna drive it, we're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Corvette investment. So come on up, we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. What a slick job this is. I tell you what, the paint is looking great on this car. The chrome's looking awesome, the emblems, everything lines up nice. When you look down the side of the car, she's straight as can be. Wheels and tires are all factory appearing. The tires have been upgraded to BFGs. All the trim's in good shape. It's a T-top car. Doors operate nice and smooth. And you see the interior looks like it may be the original interior to the car. Now that goes to tell us that this car was so well kept since 1970. These seats are still in beautiful shape. I mean, that's got some age on them right there, and they're gorgeous. You see the door panels are in decent shape. The dash pad itself's in great shape. Center console's in good shape. It's got a tilt column, and that's a telescoping column also. Just check out the paintwork on the car, just beautiful. All the chrome back here looks good, taillight lenses look good, the emblems look great. When you look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So what that means to you is, we spent the time to check this car out before we bought it. Then when they get back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you everything about this car you want to know. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, so what that means to you is you're getting my expert help helping you pick out your dream car. Let's go for a ride in this 70 Corvette. 4-speed, ready to go. Let's go racing. I'll tell you what, this yellow beauty is sweet. These Corvettes were built for one thing, is to go fast. Transmission feels good. It sounds awesome. That guy's taking his half out of the middle. Good thing I'm driving a Corvette. I can avoid those accidents. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Corvette anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. And we can help with financing too. We've got about 3 bankers we're working with right now that make it real easy for you. We can have them give you a call, or you can fill out an app online on our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. And when you're on our website, make sure you check out our inventory. We've got about 230 cars in stock right now, and we're bringing in anywhere from 45 to 50 new units every month. So you got to keep a close eye. You never know what we'll have tomorrow. Now these Vettes typically go really quick, so if you're interested in this one, you better call Tom today. We're real close to the airport. If you'd like to fly into Detroit Metro Airport. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up if you'd like. If you want to send an inspector, we will treat an inspector just like we treat you. Send them on out. We'd love to see them. We'll get the car up on a lift for them if they'd like. Anything you want to see. You can see down here on the dash, the speedo and the tach are working. Looks like oil pressure gauge working. I see the fuel gauge moving there. water temperature, whole 9 yards. And I'll tell you what, the accelerator's working good. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this Corvette up in the air so you can see the bottom of it. Then we're gonna pop the hood and show you what the motor looks like. It is Numbers Matching, by the way. This is our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Vette now, and it is nice and clean under here. You can see the spare tire covers there, and it's clean. There's a spare tire in there. Exhaust looks fairly new. It's got a mono-leaf spring here, fiberglass. Looks like the lower control arms have been redone. Of course, it's got disc brakes. Gear ratio will be in the ad. Frame looks like it's in fine condition. Fiberglass on the floorboards looks good. Just real nice, sharp car underneath here. We got Numbers Matching trans here. Bell housing looks correct. Numbers Matching 350 horse 350 up front. Everything up here is nice and clean. Of course, the guys will check out the brakes. They'll check out the suspension, make sure everything's in good working order. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Looks great. Of course, disc brakes up front also. Real sharp car, super clean underneath. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got BFGs on some good looking rims. And if I could find the size, there it is. 255, 60, 15s up front. Let's check on the rear. All right, out back we got again 255, 60, 15s, and again the wheels, the trim rings, and the center caps looking good. Let's get under the hood and check out the Numbers Matching power. All right, under the hood here we got 350, 350. That is 350 cubic inches and 350 horsepower. It is Numbers Matching down here on the block. You can check out pictures online. It is a winter's intake. Valve covers look great. Exhaust manifolds have been coated. It's got manual brakes on it, and it does have power steering. The car is amazing, guys. She's 350 horse, so that's a horse for every cubic inch. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.